So go to your YouTube channel icon, and after that go to click on your channel, and then come to here, click on customize channel, go there, customize channel, and after that come to basic info, and then here we go. You can change the name over here. Also you can change the handle over here, put your description and save it. Just remember one thing: if you change your if you want to change your channel name within 90 days, you can change it 3 times. And the number 2, if your channel is verified, like a green check, and if you change your channel name, your verified option will be disappear. So this is very important if your channel is a verified channel. But if it's like new channel, you know, you can change, play around, but within 90 days you can change it 3 times. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.